There are certain customers that you don't want to work for, and early on in your business, you don't know this because you just want to service every single customer that comes in because you want to make as much money as possible. But in this video, I want to save you some time and tell you 3 signs that you are dealing with a troubled customer. Now, there are more than this. However, on this particular job, we experienced 2 of these 3 reasons. And after this video, I want you guys to tell me whether or not you would service this customer again. Now, one other thing I want you to know before we jump into this one is your lead flow is going to be the reason that you either put up with customers like this or you